If you want to know how I fire up my wood-fired pizza oven in the fastest way with the least amount of smoke and roast some bell peppers while it's heating up, well, this video is for you. Guitar freaks and anorex lovers of the wood-fired pizza oven, thanks for tuning in and welcome to HilkoCuisine. I decided to make a wood-fired oven series. A wood-fired pizza oven is the best way to enjoy life. If you don't have a wood-fired oven, please consider building one in your backyard, people. You will not regret it. It's the best way to enjoy life together with some fine wine. Now, in the first episode, we will learn how to set the thing on fire. While it's heating up, you can cook a lot of things in there. But today, I will show you a simple thing, how to roast bell peppers. People, are we ready to set this thing on fire? Let's do this, shall we? To make a fire, we need wood. It's very important you are using hardwood and it has to be very, very dry. I'm using hazelnut wood here. I pile like 10 pieces up and then move it to the back because that wood is punished. Just move it all the way to the back of the oven. There you go. Now put a bigger log in front of it and then start piling up another tower of power with some smaller pieces. Well, it's gonna be the tower of heaping flames. But like I said, very important for not having too much smoke, and a fast lighting heating oven is dry wood, people. Let it dry at least for like 3 years. I prefer 5 years, but anyhow. You see, these pieces are smaller and it's like 22 pieces I'm piling up in front of it. The reason we're piling it up like this is that we get a very airy tower of power, people. A very airy tower of power will produce a lot of heat because oxygen can reach the flames a lot easier. We like that. Nice and fast heat. Now, when this is piled up, move it to the back, to the punished piece. Once you get those stacks, I like to throw in like 3 to 5 pieces at each side of the piles. Dry wood will always burn faster. A faster burn is more heat producing. This is why I'm using very dry and not too big logs of wood. Throw some kindling wood on top and then use an all-natural fire starter. These are wood chips soaked in paraffin. And set it on fire on top of the tower so the wood burns downwards. This is very important, people. For less smoke, you want to do it like this. Believe me, I tried it many years, like 8 years I think I've got this oven now. Once it's on fire, put one piece on top. Let the fire do its thing for like 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, the fire will produce the most of smoke. When you think burning wood is gonna fall out of the oven mouth, please push it a little bit backwards so you don't set the whole thing on fire. Obviously, I sped up the footage a bit because otherwise we would be sitting here for 2 to 3 hours. That's the amount of time it takes to heat up an oven like this. Now we are 25 minutes into the burn. As you can see, there is a lot less smoke now. So the smoke danger is over, but the fire, the oven is hungry. Add some more small wood. If you add bigger wood, it will start smoking more. If you don't have any neighbors, smoke is fine. Don't stress about it. If you have neighbors, stress about it. We are like 2 hours into the burn now. Once a while I'll feed in some dry wood to keep the flames going. People, every type of wood is different. I move on to beech now. The heating time depends on how cold it is, how wet it is, the moisture in the air, and especially how dry your wood is. Do you get it now? Dry wood is good. We like dry wood. There is a very easy trick to know when your oven is ready. It's very easy. When you look at the dome inside of the oven, when all the soot is gone and you see the natural color of your stones so they're not black, then your oven is ready. Meanwhile, I'm putting in a steel log support that a friend of mine welded. Once that is in position, I like to move the burning wood and coals over to the left hand side. If you're a lefty, put it on the right hand side. Here you can see the oven is nearly ready to go, so it's time to start cooking, people. You can clearly see there is still some soot on the right hand side, so I'm gonna move some burning logs to that side so that soot can burn off. While the fire is cleaning the oven, I'm roasting some bell peppers. These bell peppers are straight from the fridge and I just throw them into the burning coals. Let them go all the way black. Every minute or two, turn them around. You might think this HilkoCuisine guy with his guitar maker's food is off his freaking trolley. Well, he is not, people. Try it, taste it, and don't thank me later. This is the tastiest way to make a bell pepper ola. I'm gonna use this bell pepper as a topping for pizza later. Speaking of pizza, please subscribe if you want to get notified when a future pizza video is available. Hit the tinkly bell icon. If you don't have a wood-fired oven yet and you're still dreaming about it, you can make this bell pepper in your barbecue, in an open fire, or even in your kitchen oven. As long as it goes really hot and you can burn the skin of the pepper. Once the whole pepper is black, take it out. Move it over to a cutting board and let it sit there for like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the bell peppers are a lot easier to work with. They're less hot and the peel will come off so easily you cannot believe it, people. Some people put them in a plastic bag. I don't like that idea to put my food in plastic bags. But it's up to you. You can use a paper bag, but I just let them sit on the counter for like 15 minutes. And this is how easy that black stuff comes off. The goal is to remove the burnt skin. Once the bell peppers are nice and clean, or as clean as you can get them, take a dish. Cut open the bell pepper, but please don't lose those juices. Those juices are the base of the marinade. You know, don't lose them. Pour them in the dish and then clean the pepper. Cut it into pieces and there you go. You can add some hot salt, some olive oil, some garlic, some fresh herbs, anything you want, but I'm keeping them very sober for my pizza topping. People, thank you so much for watching. Enjoy life. Be nice to each other, and I hope to see you in the upcoming episodes of the wood-fired oven series, people. We're gonna cook nice stuff, we're gonna cook lovely stuff, we're gonna enjoy fine wine, we're gonna talk about whatever you want. Let me know what you want to talk about in the comment section below, people. Till a new video is uploaded, I would like to say goodbye.